Hello there, this is John. I notice on YouTube a lot of people are having problems with these action cameras. I've seen a few times when people says when they go to press the button to take a video or an image, the whole camera just shuts off. Well, that happened to me today, and here's what I found the problem. So when somebody was pressing this button on the top, the whole camera would just shut off not every time, but occasionally. So because that happened to me, I was wondering, so what I discovered was if you go inside this door here, you know, the door that you can never get in, where I found the problem was inside there's 3 contacts. On the battery there's 3 contacts. See them? Now this is a really cheap battery, and what was happening was these little clips here were not tight enough onto the contacts inside of the battery compartment. So what I did was I just took I used a magnifying glass, but I took a small sharp edge and I pushed these contacts together on each one. And then, when it came time to put it back, and I want to turn it on, came on. Now I can press that button on the top here with impunity. It won't turn off. That was because these contacts on the battery were too far apart, and they were kept touching these contacts in the battery compartment intermittently. So that's that problem solved. I hope it helped you guys. Alright, catch you later.